Christmas is a time for weight gain for many of us. It's also a time for many cartoons relating to weight, of course, and this again, I think, illustrates people's misperceptions about weight and brings us to the first element of those misperceptions, which is weight is about overeating in a very dramatic way. Why is obesity political? It's political in so many senses. It's clearly political because it's a burden. It's a big issue for our government, a big issue for us in terms of our longer term health. It's also deeply political in a personal sense because our bodies are visible. And that sounds like an obvious thing to say, but when we walk around, unfortunately these days we have clothes, but when we walk around, the shape we inhabit is highly visible to other people. Our bodies are publicly owned in certain senses. This is much more true for women's bodies, I suspect, in many ways, but obesity is necessarily highly political. Now, if we think about obesity in politics, there may be some interesting ways in which obesity is political. I'm sure you've all heard of ecological analyses, and an academic from the LSE and from East Anglia had the temerity to try and correlate at a district level voting in the Brexit referendum and body weight for that area.